Welcome in a new course in Revit 2019. It's completely free from A to Z. Make subscribe and follow our videos under Revit 2019 course playlist and check other playlists also. Thank you. Let's start. Today we will speak about how to add column. To add column, you must go to Architecture tab and under the build you can find the column. If you click direct, you will draw structure column because it's by default, but I will start by draw architecture column. Sometimes you need architecture column because as you see, if you have structure column as steel and you need to make a cladding or build about it, you need add structure architecture column to can fit it in your drawing. And the same thing if you have this column as reinforced concrete, but the dimension after the finishing being increased, so you need to make it architecture. So I will start by architecture. I will select here column and architecture. Just you make it. Here he open for you option bar. We speak it before about it, but now we will how to use it. Take care the first thing when you make this. After the option bar, here he give you the properties for what you add. I told you this architecture column structure column rectangular and give you dimension. If you click here, he give you 3 options for dimension by default. You can make edit for him, but until now we don't need to make edit. I just speak about other thing how to add column. I will take it okay for me. I can use this one and take care from here there is moves with grids. What this mean I will tell you. And when I put here, take care, I put this column and I will put this column here as example and I made skip. Okay, when I move this one, I can move from here from modify or by your arrow keyboard. I will move. Take care what's happened. The column is moved with the grid. This meaning of move with a grid. Okay, if you need to make this, you can make it from here, architecture. From here, you can make checkbox or uncheckbox as you need. The other thing here, he give you a rotate after placement. Take care, this not appear for this one because this not rectangular, this not this square, so it's have the same dimension. So I will make another one from here. I will click this. I will make edit type from here and make duplicate and write this dimension as 40 plus. Sorry. As example like this. We'll change here and I need to give dimension for here. I will make it 400. The white is and okay. When I make this, take care what's happened. There is another one come here by a new dimension, but to make this you must make duplicate. If you make edit without duplicate, he will make edit here and not add a new one. So I will take this one and draw. Okay, from architecture I will take this one and I need this one to draw. We speak here rotate after placement. Just I put it, take care, I put now, insert. After this he gave you option for rotate. Now which angle you need. If you need this angle you can take. If you need another angle you can, or you can typing what you need. If you need like this you can write here. Okay, if you make a skip it will be like this. This means if you need to move after this, you can move also from here, from the modify, you can rotate, but he gave you 2 options and to work fast. Okay, I make Ctrl Z for this. I will go to column and I will speak about height and depth. What this mean about this? Now I in the level 0 How I know this level 0? From here, and it is bold here. This what bold, this what you work on it. I will go for view to understand you what I make. I make skip now and take care what's happened. This is a column I draw, okay? This one. I will delete it now. I don't need. Take care. I will go architecture and the column architecture. Take. The height mean. Now I level 0. So level 0 is the down here. To draw, this mean the height it's up to this level. Meaning of height is up to the selected level. After this, you make height. He told you until what? Level 0 or level 1. I will select level 1 from level 0 up to level 1. Unconnected, this means you can make it by another dimension. If you need it 100, 150, as you need, you can make unconnected to any level. For me, I will make this and I will put here. Take care, what's up? Okay, I will make another one for a depth to understand. Depth, this means in the 0 level, he will make down. I not have any level down this. So when I put it, what he make? Take care. He give me error, but he will draw for you. But take care when he makes this one, he highlight it here, he make it by connected. He gives this dimension, but I can give him for level what? I can't give for any level. Why? Because there is no level under this level. I will cancel and go to level 1. Here level 1, if I need to architecture, okay. Now I need to draw what I draw. For now I will draw the depth. I am in the level 1 and you need depth. This means he will make under this level, and I told him until level 1. Take care what happened. If I make here besides this, take care, he makes the same one. Why? Because I draw the one from down to up and draw the other one from up to down. If I still level 1 and I need to draw architecture also and make depth but unconnected, I can draw 100 as example and draw here. Take care what's happened. He draw from level 1 and make it depth. This means he will draw it down and the height is 100. Okay. Now I will speak how to work about architecture. Before I work on structure, I will go to architecture and draw as example. For here I will make here as you need. From here he give you snap like this. He give me error because I don't select the height or depth. I am in the level 0, so I make height and I need to make until level 1. Now I can make it direct. I make other thing I can make before rotate from here by the space. If I click in the space, he make different angle for this one. Say different angle as you need. I will make here and I need this like this. Okay, the other one I need in the other direction, so I click space in our one. Okay, this is enough for me. I draw for. I go to now structure. Take care, structure have here from here or from here. You have shortcut for CL if you need this. I will go to structure column. When I structure column, he open this tab. This is new one. Family, this means different type for this. As a block in AutoCAD, you can load from this and we will speak about. But now I need to speak about this. He told me multiple add columns and this architecture columns. This means he will draw architect structure column, but when he select, he will select every structural column, every architecture column and put structure column in it. Okay, this is the type of it. If you need to change, for me I will make this steel one I will select this and make select for your architecture column. Take care what he make. He put this one. After this you can make finish, and after this you can select this one, architecture, structure, and by space you can change the direction for it. You can make this before you work or after you work. I make Ctrl Z here, Ctrl Z. Okay, I need to draw this. After this I will go other feature and speak about. I will go to column. After this add grids, but take care, he told you intersected grids, so I will select all of this as example. I will cancel, I'm sorry, add grids but intersection, so I will select this one until intersection, and I will select from here to here, and we speak about the different selection in another video. So I will select this. Take care what's happened. He selects this and select this and select this because they're intersection. Here not intersection, so you can't put it by this way. Okay, this is the meaning of intersection. So I need cancel for this. I'm sorry. I will go to architecture and make structure. The other thing we need to speak about it. This we speak about slanted column. This you can make only in view. You can't make it from here because he speak about it. This is slanted, like you see there is half slope, and this vertical as you need. Okay, if you need to work this, you can go to est as example and go to structure. I'm sorry, go to structure column and you speak about which elevation you need to work. If you need, for me I need to go any grid as example, grid 1. Okay, and you can work now and draw this one. Okay, if you go to CD you will find it. Okay, we will speak about this in the different video. There's some orientation you need to make a change, but generally we speak about it now. Okay, this means this tab, structure and column finish until this, and all of features you understand now. Thank you and see you in another video.